Project Cybersyn was a Chilean project from 1971 to 1973 during the presidency of Salvador Allende aimed at constructing a distributed decision support system to aid in the management of the national economy. The project consisted of 4 modules: an economic simulator, custom software to check factory performance, an operations room, and a national network of telex machines that were linked to one mainframe computer. Project Cybersyn was based on viable system model theory approach to organizational design and featured innovative technology for its time. It included a network of telex machines in state-run enterprises that would transmit and receive information with the government in Santiago. Information from the field would be fed into statistical modeling software that would monitor production indicators such as raw material supplies or high rates of worker absenteeism in almost real time, alerting the workers in the first case and, in abnormal situations, if those parameters fell outside acceptable ranges by a very large degree, also the central government. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.